What's happening, Scoop Now viewers? We're kicking things off with a massive story out of Apple. Their new iPhone 17 lineup has just dropped, but get this, they're holding the line on pricing. This bold move is sending ripples through the industry, especially for South Korean component manufacturers like LG Display and LG Innotek. Will stable prices mean squeezed margins for suppliers, or is this a power play that spells opportunity? We've got the inside scoop. Next up, we're crossing the globe to Australia, where Apple TV Plus has just announced a price hike. If you're a subscriber down under, get ready to dig a little deeper into your pockets. We're breaking down exactly what this means for Aussie streamers and why Apple is making this move now. And speaking of Apple, are we on the verge of seeing their own smart glasses? The buzz is building around the rumored iPhone Air, and some analysts are connecting the dots to a future where Apple could dominate the augmented reality space. Could this be the next big leap after the Vision Pro? We're exploring the tech that might just make it happen. Finally, buckle up for an upgrade to your daily drive. Apple CarPlay in iOS 26 is getting a serious smarts boost, packed with new features designed to transform your road trips. We're revealing what's new and how it's going to change the way you connect on the go. Stick around for all the details and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss an update. Apple's iPhone 17 pricing stuns, a boon or a burden for suppliers. Apple's recent decision to maintain stable pricing for its new iPhone 17 lineup, defying expectations of a price increase due to tariffs, is creating a fascinating dynamic for the global tech market, particularly for South Korean smartphone component manufacturers. This move is drawing intense scrutiny as it could either signal Apple's unwavering confidence in demand or place significant cost pressures on its supply chain. Industry sources revealed that Apple has opted to keep the starting prices for the iPhone 17 series consistent with previous models, bypassing an anticipated $50 to $60 hike that many believed was inevitable due to escalating US-imposed tariffs. This strategy comes as Apple had projected substantial tariff-related expenses, potentially reaching $800 million in the third quarter and $1.1 billion in the fourth. The standard iPhone 17 now starts at $799, the Pro at $1,099, and the Pro Max at $1,199, all for the 256 GB configuration, with the 128 GB tier being phased out. This pricing decision, made against a backdrop of global economic uncertainty and trade tensions, underscores Apple's focus on market competitiveness and internal cost management. It could significantly impact key Korean suppliers such as LG Display, a crucial provider of OLED panels, and LG Innotek, known for its premium camera modules. While some analysts see this as a positive sign for suppliers due to stable shipment volumes and advanced features, others express caution. Han Chang-wook of UBI Research notes that the pricing strategy alone might not be enough to drive significant shifts for suppliers unless further tariff measures are introduced. Meanwhile, the potential for Apple to enter the foldable market, possibly with an iPhone Air, presents new opportunities for specialized Korean firms like Fine Technics and Innotek Advanced Materials. The market is closely watching how this pricing strategy will affect the earnings of component makers, with some anticipating stronger top-line growth for companies like LG Display and LG Innotek, while others believe the impact on parts manufacturers may remain limited. The broader implications for Apple's supply chain diversification, including increased production in India by Foxconn, are also significant. Don't go anywhere, because the impact of Apple's decisions often reach far beyond just the phones themselves. Next, we're heading down under to see how Apple's streaming service is changing its tune on prices. Apple TV Plus joins price hike trend in Australia. Subscribers to Apple TV Plus in Australia are facing a price increase, marking another move by a major streaming service to adjust its subscription costs in the region. This change comes as the streaming landscape continues to evolve, with companies seeking to balance content investment with profitability. The exact new pricing details and the effective date of the increase have been announced, prompting discussions among Australian consumers about the value proposition of the service. This adjustment follows similar price hikes implemented by other popular streaming platforms in Australia over the past year, reflecting broader economic factors and the ongoing competition for subscriber attention. While the specific reasons for Apple TV Plus price adjustment haven't been detailed, it's common for streaming services to adjust prices based on content acquisition costs, platform development, and market demand. The move raises questions about subscriber retention and the potential impact on Apple's market share in Australia's competitive streaming sector. But Apple's influence doesn't stop at your screen, it's also coming to your car. Get ready for a smarter ride as we reveal the exciting new features coming to Apple CarPlay. iPhone Air hints at Apple's smart glasses ambitions. The recent buzz around Apple's potential, iPhone Air, is fueling speculation that the tech giant might be gearing up for a major entry into the smart glasses market, potentially redefining the wearable technology landscape. This development could see Apple leverage its advanced computing power and design expertise to create a product that rivals or surpasses existing offerings from competitors like Meta. While Apple has yet to officially launch any smart glasses, reports suggest a modest entry, possibly similar to Meta's Ray-Ban stories, featuring a camera, speaker, and microphone. However, the key differentiator could be the integration of powerful, AI-ready hardware, potentially drawing from the advanced A19 Pro chip rumored for the iPhone 17. This chip, with its fused neural accelerators and GPU cores, could allow Apple to pack unprecedented processing capabilities into a compact form factor, as demonstrated by the slim design of the iPhone Air. The crucial question remains whether Apple will prioritize standalone power or convenience. The iPhone Air's design, fitting a powerful computer into a small space, suggests Apple can indeed miniaturize high-performance components. This could enable smart glasses with advanced camera capabilities and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, offering a compelling alternative to current smart glasses that often rely on phone tethering or external power sources. The success of the Apple Vision Pro also indicates a willingness to push boundaries in immersive technology. From your eyes to your ears, Apple is upgrading your world. And speaking of upgrades, your road trips are about to get a major tech boost with new CarPlay features. iOS 26 supercharges Apple CarPlay for road trips. Apple's latest software update, iOS 26, is set to revolutionize the driving experience with a significant enhancement of Apple CarPlay. This update introduces a suite of new features specifically designed to make road trips more enjoyable, connected, and intuitive for iPhone users. These new CarPlay features aim to provide drivers with more seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and communication tools without compromising safety. Expect a more integrated and intelligent interface that adapts to the demands of long journeys, potentially including improved map functionalities, enhanced media controls, and smarter ways to interact with your vehicle's systems through your iPhone. The upgrade signifies Apple's continued commitment to integrating its ecosystem into the automotive world, making the car a more connected extension of the user's digital life. Drivers can look forward to a transformed road trip experience where technology enhances convenience and enjoyment on the go. That's all the headlines for today, but we've got a packed show ahead. Stick around for a rapid-fire recap and all the ways you can stay connected with Scoop Now. And that's a wrap on today's Scoop Now headlines. We saw Apple hold steady on iPhone 17 pricing, potentially impacting suppliers. Apple TV Plus is increasing prices for Aussies. Rumors suggest the iPhone Air could pave the way for Apple smart glasses, and iOS 26 is bringing smart upgrades to Apple CarPlay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Scoop Now for more breaking news, hit that notification bell, and let us know in the comments what you think. You can also follow us on all our social media channels for real-time updates. See you next time.